In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to download and install VMware Workstation on Windows 10. So I have already downloaded VMware Workstation 15, so I will install VMware Workstation 15. You can download VMware Workstation 17 and later. So I have already downloaded VMware Workstation 15. Double click. It will take some time for configuration. Now click on yes. It will take some time or some second for Windows configuration. So minimize every window and focus on installation. Now click on next. I accept the term and license agreement. Next. Check this one. Next. If you want to update from VMware Workstation, so check both. If you don't want update, so uncheck this. I will uncheck. Next. Install. It will take some time to complete the installation. I am using VMware Workstation Pro 15. It work for me fine. You can use VMware Workstation 17 or later version. I am using Windows 10. You can also install this version of VMware Workstation in Windows 11, Windows 12, Windows 8 and Windows 7. It will take a little bit time to complete the virtual network driver. So the installation is completed. I am using VMware Workstation Pro 15.5 version. You can also download and install 17 or later on your machine. So I have already key for this VMware Workstation. I have already copied this key. I will paste it here and enter. Now click on finish. It will ask to restart the system. I am not going to restart my system for now, so I will click on no.